Next up on the Point Reyes section of the 101 great hikes in the San Francisco Bay Area, Chimney Rock. Let's check in on these goons.
No, those are ants. They have wings on them.
It's the queen.
Is it? Oh, God. Oh, jeez, Louise.
Don't forget. It's another beautiful morning out here in Point Reyes. That's right, and we've got special contestant Dana Lavecchio.
Hello, all came all the way from England just to participate in this here quiz show.
Hey, here we are.
Hi. We're doing the Chimney Rock hike, which we should be doing it in springtime because then everything is just a bustling with flowers. Right now, California summer out here, it's kind of brown. Or we should come back in November to April so we can see the elephant seals come and have their babies.
Whichever time of year, though, it's definitely worth coming out to.
Yeah, it's not a hike, this is a walk. It's like a 1.4 round trip, just kind of out to see some wildlife and see the other side of Drake's Bay at Point Reyes.
Let's do it.
The trail starts out narrow but opens up once you're further along. As mentioned, springtime from late March to early June is when you'll catch the wildflowers, but without them, you'll still get some great ocean views. As you move along, you catch glimpses of the historic Point Reyes lifeboat station, built in 1927 and operated for nearly 40 years, finally closing in 1968. Despite having the Point Reyes lighthouse nearby, there were still several shipwrecks along the peninsula, which led to the creation of that little lifeboat station. As you reach the end of the trail, you'll be able to lay eyes upon the infamous offshore sea stack known as Chimney Rock. I found some sites saying you get a better feel for the chimneyness of Chimney Rock from Drake's Beach, but I feel like we caught the vibe just fine from here. On our way back, we decided to head in the opposite direction for a short 200-yard walk from the parking lot to check on the elephant seals basking on Drake's Beach. Fun fact, these seals were nearly extinct by the year 1900 due to overhunting. It wasn't until around 1981 when the seals began to return and colonize the beaches of Point Reyes. Really wishing I had that zoom lens right here. On the drive back up through Point Reyes, we stopped at the Cypress Tree Tunnel. Definitely worth a stop for some quick obligatory tunnel shots or when you forget you're in video mode. That's it for this hike. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.